Hello, mga ka-Dream Fertiles. Ang next zodiac sign natin is Capricorn. The Capricorn. Oh, Three of Cups. May celebration. Agad-agad. Wow, Nine of Wands. May sakit ka ba? The Tower. Oh, no. Ten of Wands. Oh, okay. Okay, nakikita ko na kung ano ibig sabihin nito. So, Capricorn, madami kang pinagdaanan sa life. Okay, mukhang madami kang pinagdaanan hindi maganda. Nagkaroon ka ng tower moment. Okay, Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn. Ang lakas ng energy mo. Isa yun sa masasabi ko. May sakit ka ba? Parang gusto mong magkaroon ng downtime. Ang dilim. Ang dilim ng pinagdaanan mo. Pero you're healing, no? You're healing. Nagsi-self-love ka eh. And as you go to that healing process, it's not that easy, though it's fulfilling. Kasi at the end, before the year ends, or let's say, next year, shall I say, ayun na, magandang beginning na yan sa'yo. Magkakaroon ng celebration, hindi lang sa iyo, kundi ganun din sa mga friendships mo. So, there will be a big celebration na mangyayari. So, dito, Capricorn, kasi ikaw yung pinakamagaling magtago ng emosyon sa lahat eh. Pero, it's hard to keep it to yourself. Okay? But remember this, Capricorn, if you will just keep it to yourself all alone, without the help of other people around you, baka bumalik ka sa tower moment. So, you need help. And you need to ask for help. Okay? Because there are a lot of people naman who is willing to help you. Ayan o. The path of life. Life places the perfect people and situation on my path to help me advance on my journey of inner growth. I possess the courage I need to progress despite any obstacles I might meet. I study my experiences, seeking the wisdom they have to offer. In this way, I improve from day to day. Today, I choose to grow in faith, and I am confident that at the end of my road, I will join the light. So you are going there. Before the year ends, unti-unti, you are going to this path of light. And with the help of your friends then, your relationships, okay? Tutulungan ka nila. So, kung meron ka mang pinagdadaan ng Capricorn, it will be at ease, magiging maayos na lahat. And then, there will be a celebration once you go to that path of light of your life. Okay, so that's your reading, Capricorn, and we'll see you again in our next reading. Bye!